A very good morning, students. In this video, we are especially describing your summer vacation homework for class 10th in subject social science. And the summer vacation homework in social science is having two category. One will be for art integrated activity, which will be counted as 5 marks, and second will be your project work. It is also for 5 marks. So basically this video to tell you the minute thing regarding your art integrated activity of social science and your project work. So it is very necessary to watch this video till the end and know that how, in which manner, step by step you have to complete your art integrated work in social science plus the project work. Both work are different in their working style, in their perspective, and both are totally different at how you have to, what material you have to apply for the completion of both homework. So first we will start that how you will go through with the art integrated activity, which will be 5 marks. The form of activity that you have to complete your art integrated work or activity in social science in a form of brochure. Okay, brochure, I hope you have seen the brochure of hotels or motels or any advertisement company, that how they advertise with the help of a brochure, different sort of brochure. They highlight their dishes, their eatable things, so many things. So what art integrated activity we actually going to complete in high school for the session 2021-22 in social science, that your category, your form of activity is brochure. Okay, now the topic of your activity, your home in your homework portal, it will be uploaded, don't worry. So your topic for the art integrated activity, which will be in your brochure form, modern agriculture method to stop the soil erosion in India. And it is just from your geography lesson 1, the resources and the development chapter, that I have taught you in the explanation of chapter. So it will be very easy for you to complete it. Now, as a form of art and craft, you have to give your creative idea, that you have to explain with the help of creative craft that what are the agriculture method in India to stop the soil erosion, as we have done strip cropping, terrace cultivation, and two more, strip cropping, terrace cultivation, then contour ploughing are the example of the agricultural method to stop the soil erosion in India. You have to complete it in a form of brochure. This is main thing. You are not supposed to do it just like in a file that you are writing just like a notes in the notebook. No, it is totally different. It is a craft based creative activity where you have to write less as much as possible, bullet points, and you have to give it as a form of art, the creativity. Now the main character, that how you will deal with the brochure, it should be small in size. Yes, it should be very small in size, just like you used to habitual to take the greeting card in the market. They are hardly 6 or 7 inches in length and hardly 5 to 4 and a half 4.5 inch in their width. So in such a way you have to prepare your art integrated work in social science, because we have to keep it as a record, okay, till your end of the session. So it becomes very tough if you will use a big chart and then you are folding it in so many folds. So it is not easy or convenient to keep them as a form of your record. So that's why basically I have described here every minute point, that how you have to do the art integrated activity. Second thing, written content should be in bullet points, small points. If you want to tell about the 4 different ways agriculture method to stop the soil erosion in India, then you have to write with the heading, and then there are small points in a bullet point. Second, the activity should be very attractive and creative. Here, this is the way to check your innovative idea and how good you are in an artistic manner to represent your idea. Have you ever seen the slogans or the banner or hoardings in the market or in the bazaar, that how with the small structure and caricature they used to develop the idea in a punchline, and then they are so eye catching. Okay, even we have seen that in so many cold drinks, ठंडा मतलब कोका कोला. So it is the byline of the advertising that we forget that which brand they are talking about, but we remember that ठंडा मतलब कोका कोला. Are you getting my point? So these are the eye catching lines, bylines in the advertising. So here your creativity is required in the form of art. Next, that in every art and craft activity I want from the whole section, at the back side or wherever you are comfortable, or in the front side, you supposed to write down your school name on the top, then the subject social science, then your name, full name, and then your section, and then teacher's name whom you are going to submit. Submitted to your class subject teacher's name, and submitted by your name, class, section, and then marking. It means maximum marks you will write down 5, and marks obtained it will be filled by me when I will check your art integrated work or project work. Second thing which is mandatory, that I want that when you complete both tasks, art integrated work or your project work of SST, keep the things very cautiously in a very safer place, and at the same time you are requested to make a PDF with the title of your name and subject, okay, of both work. I want that in a PDF also you save your work, so that if there will be situation that you have to forward your work with the help of PDF in the WhatsApp group, so you will be easily forward it. So if the school will reopen, basically definitely you will submit to me. If the school will not reopen, then you have to prepare a PDF of your summer vacation social science art integrated activity and project work. Now the other key feature of your art integrated work is you all are requested to keep art integrated activity and project safely at home and make a PDF of your work also. Okay, so title I have given. What will be the title? Form I have given, you have to make a brochure. Okay, size I have given just like a greeting card which are available in the market. Now I am giving you the little bit of example, as you should use chart paper or craft paper or cardboard, whatever you are free. Here I have only the pages of my register, so I just giving you the idea that how you can see that this is a size of your art integrated work. On the top you have written the name of school, the session, then art integrated activity, social science, 087 is your subject code. You have to mention it. And the topic, modern agricultural method to stop soil erosion. Then submitted to subject teacher name, submitted by your name, your class, your section, maximum marks 5, marks obtained, you will leave it. Here I will put the marks when I will check. So this is the basic structure of your art integrated work. Then you can see that if you will open it, then you will see that in the middle I have written excuse me, agricultural method to stop soil erosion. We have written in a bullet point. These are the basically 4 steps or the ways by which we can stop soil erosion. So contour ploughing is one, second terrace cultivation, strip cropping and shelter belts. So then when we will open it, this flap, then we come to know that contour ploughing. So we have written about it in a bullet point, that what is contour ploughing. It is done across the slopes along the contour lines and it is suitable for hilly areas. So this is a small definition of contour ploughing. Then one side when we open this, the states where it is practiced, Assam and Meghalaya. So contour ploughing is practiced in Assam and Meghalaya. I am just giving my idea so that there will be no confusion. Then pattern of contour ploughing, that how actually it has been practiced. So in a sloping piece of land, you can see that these are the contour lines, okay, and in the middle of these contour lines the crops has been grown. So this is in this manner you will make your art integrated work. Okay, now on the other hand we have written second is terrace What is terrace cultivation? Cutting down the steps on the field. By cutting down, we can do it by cutting the steps on the slopes also, and also practice in Uttarakhand. So this is the second way to stop the soil erosion. So you can see, then when we open it, then it is the states where terrace cultivation is practiced. So these are the 7 states. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. The state's name is also given there, but in a small way. And remember, these 7 states is also famous with the name of 7 sisters. So such type of interesting facts in a bullet point you can write down. Okay. So 7 sisters, these 7 states are known as 7 sisters where the terrace cultivation is practiced. Now the pattern, that in which pattern the terrace cultivation is done. So you can see pattern, this is the pattern of terrace cultivation. You know, these are the terrace steps has been cut. You can see how they have cut the steps, and then in the middle of it the soil. Okay, and then in these steps the crops has developed. Now the third type of way to stop the soil erosion is strip cropping. What is strip cropping? Division of large fields into strips is known as strip cropping. They are just like vertical in shape or design. Okay, so the state's name, when we open it, then we come to know the states where the strip cropping is practiced. Rajasthan, Punjab and Sindh provinces, the strip cropping is practiced. Now the diagram, that this is the pattern of strip cropping. You can see. Now one thing is more, I have used only sketches. You can use the eco-friendly material, you can use the original crops, the original pulses, you can use the artificial grass. Okay, so many things are available for the craft work. So here I have used just the resource which are available to me to tell you that in which form you can come up, and here you are free to make your activity more interactive and more creative and more eye-catching. Now you can see that these are the soil and these are the patterns, strip of the crops, and the middle the piece of land. Okay, so this is all about, you come to know. And then the last is shelter belts. So you can see the shelter belts is practiced in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, and rows of trees planted between the crops. This pattern is known as shelter belts. This is the definition of shelter belts. And then we will make a diagram that these are the just like a rows of tree in the middle of crop. You can see these one row of tree, then the crop, one row of tree, then crop, and then one row. In such a strip of way, in the rows of tree, in the middle of rows of tree, the crops has been grown, and this pattern is known as shelter belts. Okay, now you can see that this is hardly takes so much of time, and creative idea should be used, so we can then fold it. It will be very easy to keep it as your record in the school also or at home also, and it is all about the art integrated work. Okay, then you will just cover it, and in this manner you will submit it. You can use a cardboard also to make it so that it will be preserved for a long period of time. At the back side you can use a cardboard, you can use a chart paper. You have to use a chart paper. Okay, so in a various way I just given you the example that how you have to complete your art integrated work. And you can see the length just like a greeting card. I don't want the big chart papers, and then I have, because it takes so much of time by my side also to open the big chart paper and then keep it as a record. I just want in a pamphlet side, okay, or a greeting card side. You have to make your art integrated work. Okay, then now we will come to project work for class 10th in social science. In social science project work, you will mention it like this, the title of the project, and you are also having 5 marks for project work, 5 for art integrated and 5 for project. Both are different things. Okay, now your topics in your NCERT syllabus, you are having 3 topics and you can choose any one. Oh yes, I want to tell you, you are free that you can make your project on consumer awareness. It will be easy because it is in your economics chapter. Okay, the content will be available in your own NCERT. Or you can make your project on any social issues. Social issues as there are so many example I have written: child labor, dowry system, female feticide, domestic violence with the females, physical and mental exploitation in working place or in the society anywhere. So these are the example. If you want to make your project in SST in any social issue, so beta you can take these any one of example. Okay, you need not to do all that, no, any one, because project work is a research on a particular topic. So I have just written the example that if you are confusing that ma'am social issue what topic we will take, so these are some example, any topic you can choose for your completion of project work in SST. Consumer awareness, I have made this video and I have explained the steps with consumer awareness. Okay, rest by your own choice, you can select wherever you are comfortable, where you think you can do more better work, so you are free, you are welcome. Or sustainable development, it is already in your geography first chapter. Okay, you can also make project if you don't like to make in consumer awareness, you are not satisfied with the social issues, you can choose sustainable development topic for your class 10th social science project work. Okay, you are free to take any one topic among these three project titles. Okay, in the video I have explained one topic, consumer awareness. Okay, you have to follow the certain step will be the same and the content will be different. Yes, you know the first page, you know the second page, conclusion, bibliography, certificate should be there, about content also there, but you are free to select any one of them. I have taken consumer awareness. Now students, before starting your project work, there are certain points which I want to discuss with you, which are very urgent. Before before starting your project, you have to remember these points, that how you are required to do to complete your project work. The first important thing, the length of the project will be 20 to 25 pages, remember. And you people just come with the 5 and 8 pages uh, to submit your work, so you cannot hope for good marks in the project work. At least 20 to 25 pages with the full illustration, picture, diagrams, and the proper content should be there. Second, the project should be presented in a neatly covered folder. Yes, you will use a very good covered folder. Okay, you can use the hard project files which can be easily you can say preserve at home and in office, school also. Third, a summary or synopsis, one page of project has to be prepared covering the following points. You will also write down the summary or synopsis about the project, and in which you have to cover these points. The objective of statement, okay, that what is the objective to do this project, their observation and findings. Another point, any other learning forms this exercise, such as information collection, analyzing, and relevant information to drive meaningful conclusion. These should be included in your project work. Okay. Next point, please do not use colored sheet except for the title page. Yes. When you are writing the content about the consumer awareness, that what is consumer, how they got cheated, okay, what is consumer right, in such a heading you will explain the topic. So these pages should be plain, simple, and white color. You can use colorful pages only to make your project attractive for the first 3 pages, where you will write down the school name, your name, submitted to, submitted by, where you will write down the acknowledgement, where you will write down the certificate. But rest of the project will be in plain loose file papers, which will be white, so that we can actually read what you have written. Okay, now no whiteners to be used or written matter crossed out. You are not allowed to use the whitener, okay, because it makes your project untidy. Next, do not copy the content from net. Yes, especially try to read from your own syllabus book, okay, first. Or if you want to give more content, more relevant thing, so you can use the magazine or newspaper article or anything. Okay, so but you are not supposed to allow that you will copy from the net. Now we will come to the point. The format, what is the actual format of your project? Okay, step by step. The first page of your project, where you will write down your name, class, section, subject. If you are taking the consumer awareness, so it is from economics. If you are taking sustainable development, then it will be geography mentioned there. Or if you are taking any social issue, so it will come under political science. Okay, so it depends that which topic you are taking, then you will write down the subject. Okay, on this information will be written in the middle, your name of student, then subject, ठीक है, your class section, and on the top of the same first page you will write down the school name, the Horizon School Session 2020 21 22. It will be your first page. Now what will be your second page? In second page you will write down the heading, in the middle content, and in the content you will write down these points. Second page will be based on content. In the middle you will write down content, then you will write down these all points. First you will write down acknowledgement, second you will write down certificate, third content related to consumer awareness, then who is consumer, how they are exploited. Then you will come to forward about your topics, how you are going to explain page per page. Second, emergence of consumer movements. Next, duties and responsibility of consumers. Next, enactment of COPRA. COPRA is an act, okay, which gives so much of right to the consumer that they stop to be get cheated. Remedy available at district, state and national level, that in district court, consumer court has been, consumer forum has been established, state level also, national level also, that we can fight if we get cheated as a consumer. Then conclusion, and then bibliography. In the second page you will write down these things. If you are doing consumer awareness, if you are doing another topic, then you will write down definition of sustainable development, why it is important, the movements which are related the sustainable development, okay, Earth Summit and so many things you can give. But the acknowledgement certificate will be the same for every project title. Okay, so here you can use your own brain. Now on the third page, acknowledgement. When I am saying acknowledgement, so how you are supposed to write acknowledgement? On the third page, on the top you will write down acknowledgement, and this will be the language. You will write down with the help of pen, I would like to express my special thanks to my teacher, if you think so. Okay, it is not mandatory that you will write down my name. If you think so that my guidance is really important for you, then you can write down my name. There is no compulsion. You can write down your friend's name who are exactly helping to make out your project, okay, or your parents' name also. Whoever, I want to give you the direction that whoever has given time and research or help, any kind of help to complete your project, you will write down their name. So you can write, I would like to express my special thanks to my teacher, friend, their name and parent who give me the guidance to complete the project on the topic consumer awareness. Now again, it will be different whatever you are taking from these three titles, which also helped me in doing research for the topic, and I came to know various important things after completion of the project. This will come under the acknowledgement की. What is acknowledgement? होता क्या है acknowledgement? कौन से नंबर के पेज पे acknowledgement आता है? ये everything is very necessary to know if you are in 10th class. Now fourth page will be certificate. अब certificate क्या होगा? जो आपके प्रोजेक्ट का फोर्थ पेज होगा, ऊपर टाइटल लिखा होगा सर्टिफिकेट, और नीचे आप लिखोगे दिस इज़ टू सर्टिफाई दैट, देन योर नेम, सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीटेड द रिसर्च ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट, देन वट एवर टाइटल यू आर टेकिंग उसका टाइटल, अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ वट एवर टीचर नेम, सब्जेक्ट टीचर नेम और एनी वन हु हेल्प यू, ओके, ड्यूरिंग द ईयर ऑफ 2021-22. तो यहाँ पे आप ऐसे करके इसको लिखोगे, ठीक है, अपना नाम लिखोगे, देन यू विल राइट डाउन द टाइटल ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, देन टीचर नेम इफ़ यू थिंक सो, ओके, बेसिकली टीचर्स नेम ही आता है क्योंकि उसका सब्जेक्ट है, एंड देन यू विल ड्रॉ ऑन योर सर्टिफिकेट पेज. It will be fourth page of your project. Systematic order. Now in the fifth page you will write down, now content start हो जाएगा ये आपका, that who is consumer, how they are exploited in the, and remember when you are writing this content on the blank page, the other side, left hand side, you can make a wonderful caricature with the dialogues. You can use the suitable pictures, illustration from anywhere which are relevant to your headings. It is important. You are supposed to make any type of diagrams, flowchart, pictures which are meaningful to your topic. Okay, now on the sixth page, you will write on emergence of consumer movement, then you will explain it. Now in the next page, seventh page, you will write down about the what are the duties and responsibility of consumer also, then you will explain. Now eighth page, enactment of COPRA, that how, in which year the COPRA has been introduced in India, what is all about it, what are the rights given to the consumer under this act. Then ninth page will be consumer rights, that what are the basic consumer rights is given in India. Okay, then 10th page you will write down about remedy available at district, state and national level, that how the different sort of consumer court are available at district level, state level and national level. First, the how much cost if we get cheated more than 10,000 rupees or 25,000, it depends on the cost of the product beta, that in which court you have to apply if you got cheated. So on the that thing you will explain. Then 11th page you will write down about the 11th page you will conclusion, you will give conclusion. Okay, in 11th page you will give the conclusion, that what is you understand how you are going to conclude. The conclusion will be there about the topic on the 11th page. And on the 12th page, the bibliography. On 12th page you will write down the heading bibliography. Now what is bibliography? Now I am explaining it to you, that in bibliography you will write the name of resources from where you have taken the content. Yes, for example, if you have taken the content from NCERT book of economics of your own syllabus, then you will write down the book's name and the author name. Then if you have taken some content from any old or new magazine, science magazine or anything, data or anything, so you will write down the magazine name. Okay, then article, if you have taken the article help from any newspaper, then you will write down the newspaper name and the article. Okay, now here you will show the name of resource from which you have taken the help to complete your project. Okay, and note, it is very mandatory. Children, you have to paste colorful picture or flowchart or innovative caricatures to satisfy the topic of project. So student, in this way your words limit will be 20 to 25 pages for the project work, and you have to complete your task. Okay, both are mandatory for the high school student, that you have to do this project with full efforts, full seriousness, because sorry, no teacher will give you the marks, good marks, if your work is not good. And you are having 30 days holidays where you can do your best. And please make a PDF of your social science homework, which included art integrated activity plus your project work. If you have any doubt about this work, you can ask me in WhatsApp group. Okay, till then, take care, goodbye.